How to deal with a gas leak. Next, a simulation of gas leak in an industrial kitchen is reproduced. Turn on the extraction fan and press the manual rearm to activate the gas valve. Now there is gas available for cooking. In case of an incident of a gas leak that can be recognized by its smell, safety is the priority over everything else. The remote sensors detect the presence of gas, so the pre-alarm and the alarm are activated. The activation of the alarm must cut off the gas supply and activate the acoustic alarm. The stove burners are turned off for safety. Once the incident is resolved and the stove controls are closed, the control unit may be rearmed. The device is rearmed with the button Reset. Pre-alarm active 2 minutes. Activating the gas supply and deactivating the acoustic alarm. When rearming the control unit, if the alarm LED flashes, there is still gas in the atmosphere. The gas detection system must be operational 365 days, 24 hours to guarantee your safety. So the operating test should be periodically performed, as shown in the following video.